You are going to love the 2016 Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power mirrors, remote keyless entry, power sunroof, navigation system, backup camera, leather upholstery, heated seats, Sirius satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, push button start. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.